JAYO sent over this roll of PLA filament for your 3D printer, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of it. All right, now with the filament on the spool here, you can see we have the sunny orange color here that they sent over. Now this is a pretty standard plastic spool here. On the other side, there is a label with some information regarding printing speeds and temperatures. I'm not going to show you that though because it does have a barcode on there, but it does have some relevant information. Now, one unique thing that I noticed in my time with this filament is it has a bit of a matte texture here, but they don't mention that this is a matte PLA. So just keep that in mind when you are printing with this filament. It is going to leave a matte finish, not a kind of standard normal PLA finish, at least in my experience with it. But let's go ahead and show you some prints and I can tell you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, first up, as always, is a benchy, and it looks pretty nice here. Now, the light is picking up a little bit of shine here, making it look like it is a little glossy, but I can tell you this is a pretty matte style finish to the benchy here. But other than that, really nice printing quality here. Didn't have any stringing or anything like that. Really happy with the quality of this print here. Okay, so moving on to the Quackadile. As you can see here, again, just a really nice quality here. No real issues with this filament at all. I'm really happy with it. I like how this print looks with this almost matte finish to it, right? Again, they don't say that this is a matte PLA filament, and I'm wondering if they have, you know, a different style of PLA or what their matte PLA might look like, because this has a pretty dull finish like many matte PLAs would have. Now, other than that though, I think this is a really nice filament. Super happy with the quality of the prints that I've gotten from this so far. Now, another feature I wanted to mention about JAYO's filament is that they actually give you an extra 100 grams on their reels. So this is actually a 1.1 kilogram spool. You know, most other filament manufacturers are only going to give you a single kilogram. So you're getting an extra 100 grams here, which is a really nice extra value. All right, now this isn't matte PLA, but my prints did come out with a bit of that matte finish to them. So keep that in mind if you're looking to pick up some of this filament from JAYO. Now, as always, if you want to try this stuff out, I've got a link in the description below.